In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get the most out of Freshdesk's knowledge base with some real-world examples and visual snippets that highlight its incredible capabilities. We'll start by exploring the visual highlights of this dynamic tool, focusing on the modern Help Center layout. Imagine a polished interface where category icons and a prominent search bar guide users seamlessly. This layout not only enhances user experience, but also ensures that finding relevant information is a breeze. The structured categories and the importance of a search bar make navigating an entire knowledge base feel like a walk in the park. Let's move on to the knowledge base dashboard. Picture an admin panel that shows you everything at a glance: categories, folders, article lists, and even analytics. By providing a snapshot of what's happening behind the scenes, this dashboard empowers administrators to manage and optimize content efficiently. This not only saves time, but also ensures that your team is always equipped with the right insights to make informed decisions about the information being relayed to users. Next, we'll delve into the structured content setup, a feature that makes creating categories, folders, and articles seamless and intuitive. Imagine a screenshot illustrating how to set up these components, underscoring the intuitive folder and article hierarchy. This well-structured setup not only streamlines the process of content creation, but also ensures that all information is organized logically. It's akin to having a digital library where everything is exactly where it should be, reinforcing ease of access and relevance. Finally, we'll explore an example of an FAQ-style organization within this knowledge base. With topics clearly organized and easy navigation at the forefront, users will find themselves effortlessly walking through different sections and locating the answers they need. Just visualize a FAQ section where everything is perfectly labeled and categorized, guiding users to their queries' answers like a well-signposted road. This organization style not only enhances user satisfaction, but also boosts self-service rates by reducing the need for direct support interventions. By the end of this video, you'll not only understand the basic components of a Freshdesk knowledge base, but also appreciate how these visual snippets come together to craft a seamless and efficient user experience. With this knowledge in hand, implementing these strategies within your own platform can be a significant step towards enhancing both usability and customer satisfaction. So, get ready to dive in and see how easy, quick, and effective it can be to leverage these features to transform your help center into an intuitive and user-friendly treasure trove of information.